The moment every audiophile and Apple enthusiast has been waiting for. For 5 long years, the original AirPods Max sat on their throne, largely unchallenged but undeniably aging. We saw a minor USB-C refresh in 2024, but the world was screaming for a real evolution. Now, in 2026, the silence has finally been broken. Apple has officially pulled back the curtain on the AirPods Max 2, and let me tell you, what's under the hood is about to change the way you perceive sound forever. If you thought the first generation was a masterclass in premium audio, you aren't prepared for the leap Apple has just taken. This isn't just a spec bump. It's a total re-engineering of the internal architecture that brings the Max lineup into the future of spatial computing and intelligent audio. The heart of this revolution is the transition to the H2 silicon. While the industry was speculating about an H3, Apple has perfected the H2 to a level we've never seen before, specifically tuned for the massive drivers of the Max. This chip is the brain that makes everything else possible. We're talking about computational audio that processes sound at over 48,000 times per second. The most immediate impact? The active noise cancellation. Apple is claiming a 1.5x improvement over the previous model. Think about that for a second. The original Max already felt like sitting in a vacuum. Now, the H2 chip uses advanced algorithms to map your environment in real time, neutralizing frequencies that used to sneak through the mesh. Whether it's the low-frequency hum of a jet engine or the unpredictable chatter of a crowded office, the AirPods Max 2 creates a sanctuary of absolute silence that feels almost eerie the first time you put them on. But it's not just about what you don't hear. It's about the incredible detail of what you do hear. The 2026 model introduces a new high-dynamic range amplifier combined with a custom-built acoustic driver that drastically reduces distortion across the entire frequency range. The bass is deeper and more authoritative without ever bleeding into the mids, while the highs have a crystalline clarity that reveals textures in your favorite tracks you didn't even know existed. And for the purists, the USB-C port isn't just for charging anymore. It now fully supports 24-bit, 48 kHz lossless audio. When you wire these up to your Mac or iPhone, you're getting a bit-perfect representation of the Studio Master. It's the closest thing to having a high-end wired audiophile setup, but with the convenience of Apple's seamless ecosystem. The intelligence of these headphones is where things get truly futuristic. Thanks to the H2 chip and the latest updates in Apple Intelligence, the AirPods Max 2 now feature live translation. Imagine walking through a busy street in Tokyo or Paris and hearing a real-time translation of the world around you directly in your ears. It's like having a universal translator built into your luxury headwear. Then there's adaptive audio, which is perhaps the most practical feature for daily life. It dynamically blends transparency mode and active noise cancellation based on your surroundings. If you're walking and a siren goes off, the headphones recognize the danger and let that sound through. But as soon as you step into a quiet park, they fade back into total noise cancellation. It's an invisible hand managing your auditory experience, so you never have to touch the digital crown. Speaking of the digital crown, Apple has given it a secret new superpower called Camera Remote. If you're a content creator or just someone who loves taking group photos, you can now use the digital crown on your headphones to trigger your iPhone's camera or start video recording. It's one of those only Apple features that sounds small, but becomes indispensable once you use it. We also see the inclusion of conversation awareness. As soon as you start speaking, the headphones automatically lower the volume of your media and enhance the voices of the people in front of you. When you're done talking, the music swells back up to its original volume. It's fluid, it's intuitive, and it makes the headphones feel like an extension of your own senses rather than a piece of tech clamped to your head.